I come from the streets to the beautiful game. No shoes on my feet, not even a name. They called me the kid and a little boy, but you know that ball was my favourite toy. One day I asked my dad, what is the best tool? He said, son, get your ball, find a wall. I trained just to be a winner. Wasn't interested in TV or my mum calling me for dinner. They told me I was too frail, too skinny, too small, but they didn't know about my ball and the wall. I was told I was stupid, wasting my time, looking a fool. I knew I was getting better with my ball and a wall. I wanted to go to the stadium and leave the streets so I could wear the best football cleats. Then one day it happened to me. A bad tackle shattered my leg and busted my knee. Today I can feel that little boy's pain, wondering if he would ever play football again. In bed for 1 year, so sad, I lost it all. But I turned my head to the side, and there was my ball next to a wall.